Hello guys, welcome to High Tech Reviews. I'm Shobit Mitro. Lenovo just released the Android 5.0 update for A6000 and A6000 Plus. So we have the A6000 Plus with us, and so let's check what's new in the update and what kind of bugs fixes in this new update, and what are the new features added in the new update. So let's first of all talk the Android version exactly we get after the OTA update. And one more thing, this update is an OTA version. So you can see the Android version is 5.0.2. It's not 5.1, the latest one, but it's 5.0.2, any day better than the Android KitKat 4.4.4. So let's start about the things are changed. So first of all, the UI is improved a little bit. So you can see it's the now the lollipop UI, and this is your multitasking tray. You can see this is your multitasking tray, the Android 5.0 style, and everything. The icons looks changed. The notification panel was also changed. So you can see the floating app is now looks pretty is good, and the display color saturation levels are also improved a little bit, and display brightness, now the display is more bright, I would say. So it's not the full brightness, you can see it's the full brightness, and display is pretty bright, as I can see in my device. So the another thing, some of the user complaining that after the L update their accounts and SD card was not synced. So for that I will say you to do a factory reset, because now this device run on 64-bit architecture. So for that just I hit the Antutu benchmark, and now this device have the 64-bit architecture. So in the info section you can see, so it's loading. Yes, in the info section you can see Android 5.0.2 in 64-bit. So now the system is 64-bit system. So there will be some issue when you move to 32 to 64-bit, because the previous build was 32-bit and the current build was 64-bit. So there will be a RT there will be a issue, because architecture issue 32 to 64. So I will suggest you to clear the cache partition and try a full factory reset before you use it, and you can also backup your user data if you don't want to lose it. So the next good things is that smooth performance. The performance was pretty smooth. There's no issue. The apps open pretty quick. Now every app is open pretty quick. You can see the Android 5.0 is pretty fast, pretty good operating system. So you can see we have lots of apps running. There is no UI lag, and so that's a good thing after Android L update. So another thing is that new camera interface. Now the camera interface was changed. So you can see the new camera interface. This is the settings panel. Um you can hit the settings option, but still you don't have 1080p video recording features. You only have 720p video, and you also have same mode available, normal panorama effect. And now you have live effect like this. You can easily choose between many mode from the camera UI. So that's a good thing, and you also the focus things was also changed. The you can see the tap to focus icon was also changed now. So not a major improvement in the camera section. The picture was same as the previous one. The front camera was also same. So the UI is changed in the Android 5.0 after the update. So also the music player was updated to the new version of music player. You can see it's the Lenovo stock music player. The previous version music player was too old, like Android 2.3 versions music player, but now the music player is pretty okay, pretty cool. You can see everything looks pretty neat and clean, and so that's a good thing, I would say. So now the battery backup was also improved, and the battery showing option was also changed. So you can see it's the Android L battery notification center and battery history details. So you have 1 day 3 hours of approximately battery left. and you also can show the battery percentage, and you also have a battery saver. When you click this option, you can enable the battery saver, you can also disable the battery saver, and you can also turn on it automatically at the 5% or the 15% battery, as you wish. So that's a pretty cool thing, and the battery backup is improved. I'm using this device after update for last 2 days. The battery backup is improved a bit, I would say, not a huge improvement, but yes, it's improved. 5 to 10% backup is improved. So another good thing is audio output. Now audio output via both the speaker and the 3.5 mm jack was pretty good. The bass level was pretty high in now, and you can use your music, and you can buy a pair of earphones, and you can listen music in good quality. So that's a pretty good thing. I like the music quality now in the Lollipop after the Lollipop update. But something I am missing very much is the Lenovo weather widget. The weather widget was changed, and there is no weather widget now. You have some widget support here, but there is no weather widget available for the Lenovo A6000 Plus. So it is a con in my opinion. Lenovo remove the weather widget. So and another good thing is that now we have more theme support. So you have more theme option. So you have total of 6 themes. It's not a huge improvement, but it's better than 2 themes. Previously we have only 2 themes, so now we have total amount of 6 themes here in Lenovo A6000 Plus. So which is pretty cool, I would say. And the wallpapers was also changed. The previous wallpapers are changed, so you can see the new wallpaper, some of the new wallpaper are added. So not a huge customization, but still it's added. So that's all, guys. That's all the review for the OTA update of Lenovo A6000 Plus Android 5.0 Lollipop update. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Shovik Mitra. Hope to see you in my next video. If you have any query about this update, and if you want to ask me anything, so please comments below in the comment section. So hope to see you in my next video. Thanks.